When a project calls for a quilted panel, it's fun to try and think of how you can add to a design's theme or rhythm. Here, for this fabric, you'll see I started with some goats who actually look like they are frolicking. I decided to use free motion quilting and add some movement to the background to really help to maximize this effect of their playfulness. Another consideration in your doodle fun is choosing which thread to use, one that blends in with the fabric or one that stands out against it. Here you'll see that I chose a blue thread to pick up one of the design elements from the fabric. The little tufts of grass around the frolicking goats are the same blue. If I wanted to give texture without contrast, I could have chosen a pink thread to match the background, and honestly, I think that would have also looked so fun. Because the goats are white, I could have also used white thread. Are you starting to see how it's all a part of designing what you want to do? Free motion quilting is such a sweet thing because it gives texture to whatever you are creating. So thinking about the design and its density, how much you want to create over the space and what path you want to take is one of the most important things. Remember that this is playful and fun, but you can also do it with something that has a little bit more seriousness. Find more inspiration and tutorials at Around the Spinny on YouTube, aroundthespinny.com, and on Instagram at Around the Spinny. And until then, keep on free motion quilting and having fun doodling.